name is Angelique Rosa Marin. Right now, I'm a marine scientist. I'm a researcher. I work with benthic forams, and I use them as an indicator for health of different marine ecosystems. Like I told to my students, I just work with sand. It's just sand. So the way that I collect my samples, I work with superficial sediment samples. So it's basically like the first or 2 centimeters of the sand. And I collect them with an algae jar, or sometimes, like if I don't have my equipment with me, I just use a plastic bag, a Ziploc bag. And basically, after collecting that sediment, I go to the lab, I clean the sediment, and I also dry the sediment to make my life easier to look that sediment through the microscope. And using the microscope is how I basically hunt these forums. That is to better inform resources managers. For example, the work that I've been doing has been in Puerto Rico in a reserve. So basically the information that I've been collecting and the analysis that I also been doing, it's been helpful for them to better understand the coral reef conditions in that specific reserve. I always been exposed like to the beach. Like I'm from Puerto Rico, so I don't know, I guess in my family there is a high like value of safeguard, like protect our natural resources. So I think that from there, it's how like I started to, falling in love with these amazing places. And I identified that I'm super curious, like with my personality and the things that I do. So everything started with that, with curiosity. And then doing my undergrad, I took like some classes in the biology program that makes me more interested and more curious. And then after that, I just get exposed to the research arena and, applying applying all this like knowledge in the field. I mean, for me, it's just so powerful. And for me, that was like the breaking point. Boom. I completely fall in love with science and research. I love engaging when I have the opportunity with students, with colleagues, collaborations, knowing people like around the world, being exposed to different cultures. Yeah, I think that's one of the things that I love the most about my job.
Want to learn more about our national parks? Then hit that subscribe button, friend. Stay up to date and catch bonus features by following us on Instagram @OutSCIder.